And let's continue to graph inequalities. Here we have y is greater or equal to x plus 1, and y is smaller or equal to negative x plus 2. So I'm just going to start by drawing the line y equals x plus 1. Here we have y-intercept of 1 and the slope of 1. So that is the y-intercept. We'll just go over 1 of 1 all the way through. Right there. So that's y equals x plus 1. Now let me graph y equals negative x plus 2. So here we have a y-intercept of 2 and the slope of negative 1. There's a negative 1 hidden here. So we go over 1, down 1, all the way through. There we go. Took me long enough. Okay, but of course we're interested in the system of inequalities, right? So we're looking for the area that is above the blue line, because we have y is greater or equal to x plus 1, and below the red line, since y is smaller or equal to negative x plus 2. So above the blue line is this area here, and below the red line, of course, over there. So the intersection between the two will be just this area here. So let me just highlight that. I'm gonna create some boundary lines here, otherwise I won't be able to have my software cooperate. So this is the solution area, just the whole red area. Any point that you pick, if you plug into these equations, these inequalities, you're gonna get something correct, right? So let's do an example. So let's say I have, can't even really see the points here, but let's say I have negative 3, negative 1, because that's in the solution area. If I plug that in for x is negative 3 and y is negative 1, I'm going to get the truth. So for example, in the first equation, or the first inequality, we have negative 1 is greater or equal to negative 3 plus 1. Negative 1 is greater than negative 2, so that's correct. And what about the second one? We should also work on the second inequality. And I don't have a lot of room anymore. So let me plug in the negative 1 over here. So negative 1 smaller or equal to negative x, and x is negative 3 plus 2. So that's positive 3, negative, 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 positive. And 5 is greater or equal to negative 1, so that does work out. So that's just proof that we have chosen the correct area. And that's it. The highlighted red area is the solution.